Hello guys, let me hope everyone is doing fine. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this kind of issue, okay? And it's just going to come in a while and you are going to see it, okay? Battery too low and the phone will soon power off. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fix it in all small button phones, and you can see after a while it shows the phone is going to power off in 3 seconds and then it powers off. Okay, so this solution works for all button phones. I tell almost all button phones this solution is going to work for you. Okay, so if you like my video, kindly hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get to the video. Okay, so as you notice, I've already opened up this phone, so I'm just going to head over to the back panel of this phone and basically show you how to fix this problem. Okay, so I have now, let me try to zoom in so that you can see properly what I'm doing. Okay, so this is the back side of this phone, and as you can see there is a battery connector. So you're going to use your solder and a gun, and as you can see I'm applying some solder on the middle pin, which is the battery ID. So whatever problem it is associated with the battery ID, and I'm going to show you how to jumper it in just a few minutes. Okay, so as you can see I've applied solder on the middle pin and on the ground pin. Okay, so this is the middle pin and this is the ground pin. So I have applied solder on both pins, and now the second thing that you need to do, you need to have your jumper wire. Okay, so get your jumper wire and apply some solder on it. So I'm applying some solder on my jumper wire, and I'm doing this so that my jumper wire can become a little bit stronger. Okay, so after doing that I'm going to connect the middle pin, which is the battery ID pin, to the ground pin. Okay, let me show you just in a minute. Okay, so I've already joined the middle pin, which is the battery ID pin. Now I've connected it to the ground pin. Okay, and once the two connections are secured and everything is good, I'm just going to use my razor blade. So I'm going to use my surgical blade to cut this wire, and as you can see, this is my work here. Okay, so you can see the ground pin has been connected to the middle pin, which is the battery ID. So guys, this solution works for all button phones. Okay, so I'm going to use my cleaning agent right now to clean up everything that I've put there so that my work can be neat. Okay, so I clean up the board, and after cleaning up the board, this phone is going to be ready to go. So this solution, again, this jumper works for all button phones. Whichever button phone that you have, this is going to work for you. Okay, exclusive of the smartphones. Okay, so now I put back my phone. Now I put back my phone into the housing, and let's test it, guys. Okay, this solution works for all button phones. Okay guys, so let's test this out. Let me put in the battery and power on the phone. As you can see, I'm powering on the phone, and the phone powers very well. Okay, no issues, no problems. This is going to solve all the problems. Okay, so this is, guys, if you're looking to have your phone worked on and has that issue, this